everyone! In today's video we're going to learn verbs of type A. Ρήματα τύπου Α. Here we have a couple of examples of the verbs of type A, just letting you know that they're in present and they're in active voice, and the verbs of type A are the most commonly used verbs and they're around 1,000 or less. Some of them are γράφω. What's the common that they have? It's that they end up with omega. That's what separates them from the rest. Other verbs end up with omega, we will see in the future, but some of them have a tono, some of them end up with ao, but that's for the future. So verbs of type A, they end up with omega, and here are some examples of them. Γράφω, I write. Βλέπω, I see. Τρέχω, I run. Δίνω, I give. Δουλεύω, I work. Στέλνω, I send. Μαγειρεύω, I cook. And έχω, I have. Now let's conjugate one of them. Εγώ γράφω, I write. Εσύ γράφεις, you write. This εσύ is you singular. Αυτός γράφει, he writes. Αυτή γράφει, she writes. Εμείς γράφουμε, we write. Εσείς γράφετε, you write. You plural polite. Αυτοί γράφουν, they write masculine. Αυτές γράφουν, they write feminine. And αυτά γράφουν, they write neutral. The endings are going to be exactly the same for all the verbs of type A when they're going to get conjugated. And now let's see a couple of examples with them. I hope this is gonna work. Εμείς τρέχουμε στο πάρκο. We run in the park. Αυτή μαγειρεύει νόστιμα. She cooks tasty. Αυτός έχει 2 κλειδιά. He has 2 keys. Εγώ θέλω καινούρια παπούτσια. I want new shoes. Εσύ δίνεις το πτυχίο στον Γιάννη. You give the degree to Γιάννη. Αυτές δουλεύουν από το σπίτι. They work from home. Αυτά έχουν σχολείο. They have school. And that's it for today. These were a couple of examples with the verbs of type A. I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, write me down a comment down below, and then